We'll guide you through how to create text in Inkscape. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your computer. Once you're in, look towards the left side of your screen and find the text tool. It's the icon that looks like a capital A. Click on it to activate the tool. Now, click anywhere on your canvas to start typing. A blinking cursor will appear indicating that you can start entering your text. Go ahead and type whatever you need. If you want to change the font or style of your text, look at the top of your screen. Where the toolbar is located, you'll see options for changing the font family, style, size, and other attributes like bold or italic. Click on these to see a drop-down menu of options. Choose the one that best fits your project. If you need to adjust the position of your text, simply click on the select tool, which is the arrow icon at the top of the left toolbar. With the select tool active, you can click and drag your text to move it around the canvas. You can also resize it by clicking on the corners of the text box and dragging them. For more precision, use the transform panel found under the object menu at the top. This lets you input exact dimensions if you need specific sizing. To add special effects or color to your text, use the fill and stroke menu on the right. This allows you to change the color of the text, add gradients, or even apply patterns. Once you're happy with your text, make sure to save your work by going to the File menu and selecting Save As, choose your file type and save location, then hit Save. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.